In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply via the University of California application. Before you begin the application, it's a good idea to gather everything you'll need so the process goes smoothly and your information is accurate. Have your unofficial transcripts nearby since you'll be self-reporting all of your coursework directly in the application. You should also be ready with financial information, including total annual income for tax purposes. If it applies to you, keep your identification details available, such as your social security information and your California statewide student ID if you attended a California public school. You'll also want to know your citizenship or residency status before getting started, since that can affect parts of the application. Once you're ready, go to the UC Admissions How to Apply page and begin working through the application itself. The University of California application is organized into 7 main sections, and understanding them ahead of time can make the process feel much more manageable. The first section is About You. This is where you'll enter your basic personal, demographic, and contact information. Take your time here and make sure everything is correct, since this forms the foundation of the rest of your application. Next is Campuses and Majors. In this section, you'll choose which UC campuses you want to apply to, along with your intended major selections. Be thoughtful here, because your choices determine where your application will be sent. After that, you'll move into Academic History. This section asks you to manually enter, or in some cases import, your high school and college coursework. Accuracy is especially important here, and you do not need to send official transcripts at this stage unless you are later admitted. The test scores section comes next. The UC system is test blind for admissions, which means standardized test scores are not used for admission decisions. However, if you have AP, IB, or English proficiency scores, you can still include those where appropriate. Then you'll complete activities and awards. Here, you can list up to 20 experiences, including extracurricular activities, jobs, volunteer work, and honors or awards. Focus on being clear and specific so your involvement is easy to understand. The next section is Scholarships and Programs. This area allows you to check boxes for scholarships and special programs that may match your background, interests, or eligibility, so don't rush through it. Finally, you'll complete the Personal Insight questions. First-year applicants answer 4 out of 8 prompts, while transfer applicants answer 1 required question plus 3 out of 7 additional prompts. Make sure your responses are thoughtful and reflect your experiences clearly. When everything is complete, review each section carefully, check whether you qualify for an application fee waiver in the portal, and then pay the required fees. The fee is $80 per campus for domestic applicants and $95 per campus for international or non-immigrant applicants. Once you've confirmed everything is accurate, submit your application during the official filing window.